Yo. So I'm Joseph Bernard. Today is 11th of 5th, 2005, 9:53. We're on Aussie dollar on a daily. We're currently at the moment did push out to the upside. The momentum is bullish, but we can enter. We can see that we enter in a square box range around here. Pin bar doji candle formation here, showing the price has been balanced between buyers and sellers. On the Friday, we can see the price reacting here. Again, it's suggesting that the price is good either. Reject this what's called reject our swing level from the price, pushing up from the upside towards the downside, and continuation down. If we just jump to the half an hourly, we can see that the price did do swings. It's got a higher high, higher low, higher high, and the formula higher low. Will it continue formation? Will it constantly touch this price up here and then indicate the price push now? Oops, if we go to the hourly, what I'm looking for, if price does to push here, then come back down to the downside because of the long term effect. It is for short term effects, so well, that could be a short potentially, or for a long term effect, could look to break price push up here, pull back into price action, then push up to the upside. So that's the two options we have there on Aussie dollar. Next, we will have. Is this Swift Yen was doing? Nope. Scrolling down. Euro pound. Let's go. So on the daily, let's remove the previous histories. Okay, so as you can see, the price is forming, pushing from the downside. They did break the 85 levels. We're momentum pushing it down to outside, aiming for this swing point here and another one here. If we look at the price, we can remove these two here because this can conform as a second base, and the price is currently forming to the downside. If we just get a vertical line, the previous one for this was, let's see, the 4th May, and then indicating from there the price will push down, which looks a nice, lovely trade towards the downside. Here we go. So for Ali, that's me. Thank you. There we go. So we find our next swing point, which is here. If we go to the line chart, add it here. There's the next one for you. And the next one is here. There we go. So we marked up our next levels to make it more clear for us. So as you can see, back in the daily, we also correlated towards the uptrend. Before we just do our vertical trend line, if it does break through price right here, if we look at weekly, yeah, if the price does break down for bearish action towards the downside of here, we are looking towards shorts on this trade for euro pound. So on the hourly, well, if we go, let's minimize this a bit. What we are looking for is price indicate up, then push back down. That's one scenario. Or basically the price to form through here, come back, and then price to drop down towards the downside. That's another scenario. Next one is let's do the euro yen on the daily, make it clearer. At the moment, it's ranging. You can see towards going towards the upside. The price is looking at between 160 and 165. On the 4 hourly, swing point should be marked. There's a vertical. Next session will be here. There's one. There's two. There we go. So we've got two down the bottom. So what we are looking for now, the price is push up here, price pull back, then price towards the downside. Or if you're looking for the upside, price pull up, pull back down, go from the upside. Again, we're looking at both scenarios to help us in these trades. Alright, next one. Try to find. Did we do this one? No, but we can do it. Next one is pound yen. Let's start weekly. So weekly, we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks bearish momentum candle, bullish momentum candle, should I say? Towards the upside, the price is pushing engaging. At the moment, the price is looking at between 190 and 195. On the daily, again, we're pushing up. We're currently pushing at 193, looking towards going back towards 195. On the 4 hourly, you can see the swing points really been marked. And if we go put this just there, if we just remove this one, because we've got the two characteristics swing points. Back on Friday, you can see whoever ended on Friday would love that as a perfect point to entry. Just follow it from Monday. So Monday was a push, Sunday was breaking for push off. Enter here for short, come down to the side. Come here, you would end short. Depends if you got 2 for 1, you would have been fine. Then you got the breakthrough pushing up towards outside on the Thursday morning. If you buy, pushing up, the entry, and then pushing up back to the entry, which is this is perfect. So, what are we looking for now? As you can see, the sellers, the buyers are losing control. Look like sellers coming in play. Could pull back, then push up towards the upside. Again, I'm looking for obviously we're bullish formation here, so the price could just go up towards the upside, come back down, and then price push back up. Or it could be forming a double top on the 1 hourly, and the price could just plummet all the way down to this price range here. Right, let's do one more. Go to CAD. Swift. Million dollar. Okay, last one. We do dollar CAD. So on the weekly, you can see it's reacting ultra none, holding on to the price, which is currently at 137, well, 138, should we say, all round number, pushing to the 140. On the daily, we can see once it loads, you can see at the moment it is a bearish mark at the moment, but we did indicate a bullish formation on the trend line here, which is great. On the Friday, swing points is there, so if we can mark out 2, which is great, 1, 2, which is perfect. Then we get our line chart, mark up our next swing points of the targets, which is here and here. Back to 4 hourly. And then we're going to move this to no correlation on Sunday. So you can see you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 swing points. This is a major one as well at the 140, which is great. Go on the hourly. We're going to see where the price could pull back down here, then push up towards the outside like this. Or Price can push up towards the upside, pull back down, then again push up towards the outside. So again, this is what I'm looking for in this market, and that's it.